confusing to you?
Very. I was just rereading the stuff and I'm still a little lost, but that's okay. I'll figure it out.
We were talking about that. I did the preparation. I did number 4, like when I got to number 4H on the preparation, I know what needs to be done. We need to do the difference.
Right.
The male and the female, but I can't figure out how to do it.
Do you remember which class was that?
No.
Say that again?
Do you remember which class was that?
It was last class. It was the last lesson.
The last lesson. Okay.
You have to subtract one from the other because you have to have the difference, and that was the key off. That was the thing that tipped me off, as it said, now say you just wanted to estimate the difference.
Yes.
But that means we're going to need to separate male and female and put it there, male minus female or vice versa.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to do that. I'm hoping Morgan's going to show up and I'm hoping he knows how to do that.
Yeah. I hope he figured it out. Do you think Excel is many people use Excel that I have talked with? They don't use SPSS. Why I would learn?
You know what? I talked to our teacher, and she said that we can just continue to use SPSS. She said, I think it's next section we will use Excel, but she said just stick with SPSS. She'll show us how to do stuff with Excel, but just stick with SPSS.
Yeah, because I have a friend who is a biologist, a master, and she was telling me that she loves statistics and she uses Excel. And I talk about SPSS, and she said, no, we don't. What's that? She said, I don't know about that.
Oh. I'm going to text Morgan to see if he's...
Yeah, that would be great. Oh, it's 5:35 already? Jeez. Yeah, 5:33. The time
Okay, send a
flies.
message to him. Okay, well...
What number, Michelle, did you say you were having a hard time with?
It's number 4, letter H.
And how much is that?
Did you guys do the preparation? Do you want to go through that preparation, and then we can talk about how to do those variables, Petty, so you understand?
Yeah, that would be great if we can start doing this. Yeah, I think we need to work on this and try to help each other.
Okay, is that okay with you, Shelby?
Yeah, absolutely.
Did you do the preparation, or do you want me to go through what I did?
Michelle, to be recorded, we help each other even out of the recording.
Well, if we just go through oh, there he is. Hey, Morgan.
Hey, Morgan.
It kicked me out, and then I couldn't sign in for some reason. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
But it got it working. So.
Okay, we were just talking about the preparation, part 2. Did you do it?
Let me take a look. Yeah, let me take a look at it real quick. SPSS was really confusing for me, and it's not on this computer that I have, so it was kind of giving me issues.
I just I couldn't figure out how to do number 4, letter 8.
Okay. Let me pull it up real quick.
Hello. Those reviews take it or not yet? I'm not going to burn it, I'm just going to heat them up a little bit. Like, put a little bit of oil in the that's fine. You guys are doing. Sorry, you guys are getting cold. Come over here. Just put them in there. You could probably just put them on the rack. I think it'll be fine.
Sorry, it's loading. Hold on a second.
You know what, let me go through, I'll kind of go through with Betty and
Yeah.
Shelby.
Not doing that.
So,
You could. Don't make me repeat it. What? Don't make me repeat it.
the preparation.
Did you buy the Costco one?
Let me see
And
here.
they're coming back.
Get in there.
How much was that? Like $5. I need to get a Costco first.
Okay.
I can't get it wet. I can't. You can't what? Probably not easy to buy.
Okay. So if we go through the class survey, we go to number 1. Let's see, let's skip down to, which one did you have a question? Which one?
I am happy.
I cannot hear well.
Okay, Morgan, do you mind muting yourself until you pops up so we can hear?
No, I didn't say.
What did you say?
I just said, which question did you have? Which one were you having a hard time with?
No, when I pull the SPSS and then I need to do for example, I do the analyze and then I go to compare means and then one sample t-test. To move the variables, for example, in this case,
Okay.
which one to do? The wage could be.
Okay.
Is that right? Because that's the we need to compare or not.
Right. Okay. So if we go through it, let's start with, should we just start with A and we'll just kind of go through it?
That would be great. Okay.
So the first thing is we want to get the mean, the standard deviation.
Yeah.
So don't we go to analyze, descriptive statistics, and explore? Is that correct?
Describe. Yeah, and explore. That's correct.
And let's see, what are we looking at? We're looking
and
at
which variable you
the
move
wage.
to.
Is that the wage?
That's what I imagine.
Okay, so we're looking at the wage, right?
And that we move to the.
So
Okay.
if we look at the wage, oh, wait a second. Okay. Okay. I think we have to go to transform first. So we go to transform automatic recode.
Yeah.
Now the variable that we need to change is we need to differentiate between the gender.
Oh, it's gender.
I think it's
not
gender.
wage.
Let me check because I can't remember, but I think it's gender.
See, I am confused at that point. Which one to put?
Let's look at, I'm going to get out of there. Let's go back to the survey. Can you see this? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the same.
Go back to where it says the
Okay.
survey.
Okay. Yeah.
And if we
I have
look
that.
there, we can kind of look and see the gender is all mixed up.
Ah, yes.
So we have to be able to differentiate that. So if you can recognize that you have to differentiate the gender, that will help you.
Oh, okay.
So if we go to transform
automatic recode.
And I think it's gender.
Gender.
And and then you're going to rename it because you're going to separate the gender between male and female.
Okay, we say gender code.
Gender code.
Yeah. We add the new name.
And then add the new name. Okay, so you're just going to add the new name right there. That's it.
Yeah. And then okay.
Then you hit OK.
Yeah.
Then you're going to go back to analyze, compare the means, to the independent sample test. Your test variable is your gender. Whoops. You're going to go to your gender code. That's where you put your gender code. I think that's right.
It's
Wait.
not. Wait.
No, that's not right. I did it right. I did it right 2 times in a row. Now I can't remember.
Because it's gender code now. Why I don't have gender code?
Did I write any notes on how I did this? I can't remember if I wrote notes on how to do it. I was going to remind myself.
And you don't think it's gender code?
I tried to enter, but it didn't work. I think
in that case, it's wage.
Oh, it's wage. It is wage. And then the grouping variable is gender code.
Okay, thank you. So wage, a simple wage. Okay.
The wage is the test variable, the gender code, and then you hit define the groups of the gender code.
Okay, let me write this because probably it's going to help me in my homework. Test variable and grouping variable will be wage code, gender code. Is that right? Grouping variable. Okay. And then define group is just 1, 2.
That's what I put. Or I thought you could put male, female, but
does it accept it?
I thought you could, but no, it's not accepting it. It only defines they only accept numbers.
No, numbers only. Okay. Continue. Okay.
Let me see if that's what I got. Then I got.
Yeah. Oh, now it makes more sense because to me it was having. I knew I was not right because it was 0.000 and everything was 0 and yeah, I think yeah. Okay.
So then, yeah, you get all your. Make sure that in your when it's asking about your, if it asks about the sample size, can't see it on this screen. I think it's on the other screen, but the sample size is not what, like if you look under, and right now under group statistics, female is 91, male is 85. That's actually not correct, and I found in a different screen it was because a few people didn't answer, and so that's why those numbers are different. It's actually 95 females and 88 males. I found that somewhere else.
But they consider only the people who answer the survey. Is that right?
I can't remember what it was asking in the homework. I just know that the numbers were different, and I didn't understand why until I read, and it said it was because some people did not answer.
Okay. And what you got for T?
So T, the T value. So for the T value, I got negative 1.836.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, thank you. I have done the same, and I got the same. Okay.
I had a question, though, because the answer key said plus or minus. Does anyone want to answer why it would be plus or minus? I guess if you... I don't know why.
I don't... How do I explain this? I don't know why it would be plus or minus, like the reason behind it, but I know that if you think of a t-score acts as a z-score, the z-score has both a plus and a negative.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, yes, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. You are right, it has the 2 ends. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then degrees of freedom, I got 98.263.
Yes.
And then the p-value is 0.069.
But divided.
But it said...
It divides.
But
I'm sorry, no, it doesn't divide because it's 2 tails.
It's 2 tails.
Yeah. Yes, 2 tails.
And so we
Wow.
We failed to reject.
Where is the
p-value is the two-tailed.
No, I know. Not the information about. Okay.
So H is one I know what I need to do. I know you need to go. It says rather than testing a hypothesis, now say you just wanted to estimate the difference, which means we need to do the difference between male and female.
Right.
But I don't know how to do that. There's no option to do that. It makes me think that we have to go back in and we have to recode it and subtract one from the other. But maybe that's not right, and I don't know how to do it even if it was right. Do you know how to do it? Anybody?
Estimate the difference between male and female.
The problem is before is what related, and now it's not. But what about if we just do what is in number 12? Let's go to try.
If we do what?
Let's go to try with number. You said that is the last class, is that right? Just let's go to try in SPS what?
Right, in lesson 12.
Yeah. And for this.
That's how I got the idea is to
okay, transform. I will do this. Transform and then compute variable. Then compute variable in the target variable box, type the name of the new variable. The target variable, which could be the gender or the wage. What we need to do would be the gender. Is that right? Because
I would think it would be the the target variable.
Okay, I will put the gender.
Isn't the target variable the difference?
No. Yeah, we need to write difference there. Yes. Difference. And then the numeric expression will be the gender. That's the one we need to move. Is that right? The gender.
Well,
I moved the gender.
But move the gender, subtract it from what though?
Female and...
I think you need to do male from female, so we have to differentiate that gender.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I wonder if you differentiate...
Pre and post?
I wonder if you have to do that separate. I don't know how to do that.
Do we do...
Do you know how to do that, Morgan?
On differentiating the genders?
Yeah.
And I don't. I'm trying to do it in Excel right now to see if I can just go through and get the information from just the females and then do it again for the males. See if I can do it that route.
Well, I did that by hand. I just got the 95% for each and subtracted that, and it didn't work. The good thing is I opened up the quiz. There isn't a question like that on it, but there probably will be for the test.
Right.
Yeah.
So we could just try to find out between now and I guess next week is our test. And so we'll have one more lesson, and then we'll have a study group that just to study, and then we'll have our test. I think our test is November 4th.
Okay.
So do you want to table this and just go to the quiz, and then we'll see if we can find out?
Possibly.
Yeah, we need to talk to...
do you think, Shelby?
I'm fine to do that.
Okay. So, do you want to should we just start the quiz?
Okay.
If we do, then I will cut the